4 Android hacks and tricks you should know. Hack number 1. How to open guest mode or add multiple users. Go to Settings. Go to Users and Accounts. Click on Multiple Users. Here you will find Guest Mode. You can also add multiple user by clicking on plus icon. Simply tap on them and click OK to use them. You can also change it from notification panel. Click on logo and change to guest mode. Hack number 2. How to use one-hand mode in Google Keyboard. Go to Notes. Click and hold on Enter arrow on top right corner, then swipe leftward. You can also change direction from left to right as per need of your hand. Hack number 3. How to use floating keyboard in Google Keyboard. Open the keyboard. Click on 3 dots on the keyboard and then click on Floating Keyboard. You can also resize the keyboard and move it anywhere you want. To undo it, re-click on the dots and click on Floating. Hack number 4. How to back up your app's photos in Google. Go to Settings. Go to Google. Click on Backup. All your app's photos, videos, SMS will get backup in your Google account. Just click on Backup now and it will automatically back up all your files.